Every single time we play a move, we need to reassess the whole position every single time. So you're going to do a move that attacks your opponent. Now we can all agree we've got the white rook battery here on the f-file, and the f7 square looks incredibly playable, and rightfully so. Because rook takes f7, let's just play it. And blacking is in check. They've got to move away. They've got only h8 or g6. So for the sake of continuing the exercise, let's just assuming they go with king h8. And now you would say, oh, that is cool. They move to h8 now, and probably I should be taking the black knight on d7. But hold your horses. Always have a look. Do I actually get checkmated in a move, or maybe in 2 moves? Is there any danger I should be aware of? And upon inquiring, you should be noticing that the situation had changed when the king retreated on h8. Actually, the black rook on g8 is very much active. And together with the black queen, they would deliver checkmate on g2. So now if white recklessly goes and captures the knight, black responds immediately with queen g2 checkmate. So let's just go back now for the sake of learning, of course. So when this thing had happened and king moved on h8, we have to ask ourselves, should I take the knight? Is there any danger? Of course, there's the battery we've just seen. So because we've seen that, we need to think now, again, how do I stop the checkmate in the most practical way? And we should be able to come up with something, and we do have very strong moves to continue. Of course, you may be doing something with a knight. You might be playing knight to f3 to stop the queen. There's nothing wrong with that. Of course, you could play it and you will win eventually. But what about a bigger threat? What about defending and attacking at the same time? What about a move like white queen? And let's play an active move that defends against the checkmate on g2 and in itself constitutes a threat. And you probably guys have seen it. Now, queen defends g2, black can't just take because they just lose bigly material and stuff. And queen to h3 threatens take on h7. So now you could say you're definitely winning. There is no good move at this stage, and we have identified the correct sequence. So I don't know what black could do here apart from just simply just resigning, which probably they should. But if they continue, I don't know, blocking, it's not a problem. You're going to take. King takes, queen is going to take, and this is just winning. This is just winning. Knight is being on pre. F7 is completely exposed and totally controlled by the white pieces. So totally white is winning. We're going to stop it here, guys. Our short theme lesson for our beginners and intermediate friends. I just wanted to use the mobile screen now to just very friendly discuss with you guys various chapters and ideas and themes. And feel free, guys, to join the future live streams, and we can discuss stuff that happen in your own games and learn from it together. Thanks for watching this, and see you next time.